Hello?
Ara, I'm looking for Susie. Is she there?
No, we don't have any plans for today. Why?
I've been looking for her for more than an hour now. Have you seen her?
I called her a while ago and she told me she was buying materials for her project. But then she suddenly hung up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Please let me know right away if you can get hold of her. Okay?
Okay.
I'm starting to worry now.
Okay, I'll pray for her. Lord, if something bad is happening to Susie right now, please be with her.
Now there is some light that could give